Let us factor quadratic trinomials when the leading coefficient is not equal to 1. For example, consider the following quadratic trinomial: 5x squared minus 17x plus 6. How do we factor this trinomial? All right, this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And let's write down the leading coefficient a. A is equal to 5. And then the constant term, ang constant term natin is 6. Tapos get the product. A times C is 5 times 6, right here. 5 times 6, that's equal to 30. Next, sulat natin yung pair of factors for 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Negative 5 times negative 6 is 30 as well. What else? 15 times 2, negative 15 times negative 2. And then the pair of factors na merong sum na negative 17, yung value ng ating b, we have negative 15 and negative 2. So, kailangan natin yan. Okay? So, negative 15 and negative 2. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ganito. Rewrite natin yung ating given quadratic trinomial. 5x squared. And then, instead of negative 17x, let's use this. Okay? So, instead, we're going to write negative 15x minus 2x. Take note, this is equal to negative 17x. Parang pinahaba lang natin siya. And then, don't forget, plus 6. After this, we will factor by grouping. Let's factor the first two terms and the last two terms. Tapos, each group, lalabas tayo ng common monomial factor. Sa first group, dito muna tayo sa first two terms. Ang GCF ng 5x squared and 15x is 5x. So, labas natin si 5x. And then, let's divide. 5x squared divided by 5x is x. While negative 15x divided by 5x is negative 3. Tapos ganun din dito sa second group. Kukuha rin tayo ng GCF or common monomial factor and then take it out. However, make sure natin na makakaproduce ulit tayo ng x minus 3. Okay? So, for 2x and 6, let's take out negative 2. Okay? Take out negative 2 and then let's divide. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is positive x, while 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. And ito yung goal natin. X minus 3, x minus 3. Common factor siya. And dahil meron na tayong common factor, the factored form is 5x minus 2. Alright? So 5x minus 2. And then times the common factor, x minus 3. This is now the factored form. How about this one? Let us factor the quadratic trinomial 3x squared plus 20x minus 7. Okay? And sulat natin yung values ni A and C. The value of A or the leading coefficient, ito yon, 3. While the constant term C is negative 7. The product A times C, so 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. And then sulat natin yung pair of factors ni negative 21. We have 7 times negative 3, negative 7 times 3. What else? 21 times negative 1. Ano pa? Negative 21 times 1. And kailangan natin hanapin yung pair of factors na merong sum na positive 20, yung value ng b, or yung linear coefficient. So, ito yon, yung 21 and negative 1. Okay? So, bilikan ko ulit. 21 and negative 1. Tapos, rewrite natin to. We have 3x squared and then positive 20x, palitan natin ito. Instead, magiging ano siya, plus 21x minus 1x or simply minus x. And then minus 7. And then factoring by grouping, let's group the first two terms. and the last two terms. Tapos, take out natin yung GCF sa bawat group. Una, sa first group, ang GCF ng 3x squared and 21x is 3x. Let's divide. 3x squared divided by 3x is x. While 21x divided by 3x is 7. For the second group, labas natin si negative 1. So, negative 1 or simply, di na kailangan ilagay. And then, negative x divided by negative 1 is positive x. While negative 7 divided by negative 1 is positive 7. Kailangan lagi kayong may ma-form na common factor. Kapag wala, kailangan yung ulitin. Baka napagpalit nyo 'to, kasi minsan pwede yun, eh. Kapag napagpapalit niyo yung positions niyan, puwedeng mali ang makuha ninyo, okay? Now dahil meron tayong common factor, ang factored form ay 3x minus 1. So, 3x minus 1 times the common factor x plus 7. Let us factor 2y squared plus 5y plus 3. Okay. The leading coefficient a is equal to 2. Ito. While the constant term c is equal to 3. Therefore, yung product na a times c is 2 times 3. So that's 6. Ngayon, sulat natin yung pair of factors for 6. We have 2 times 3, negative 2 times negative 3, 6 times 1, negative 6 times negative 1. Tapos yung pair of factors na merong sum na positive 5 ay ito, yung 2 and 3. So, itong kailangan natin, 2 and 3. Now, let us rewrite. 2y squared, and then instead of 5y, palitan natin ito. 2y plus 3y. So, plus 2y plus 3y plus 3. Group natin yung first two terms, tapos yung last two terms. Sa first group, ang GCF ng 2y squared at 2y, ito, ang GCF ay 2y or yung common monomial factor. So 2y and then 2y squared divided by 2y is y, while 2y divided by 2y is 1. For the second group, the GCF of 3y and 3 is 3. So labas natin si positive 3. And then let's divide. 3y divided by 3 is y. And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Ngayon, meron tayong common factor, y plus 1. Therefore, the factored form is 2y plus 3 and then times the common factor, y plus 1. Next, let us factor the following quadratic trinomial. 4x squared plus 5x, say plus 1. Yung ating leading coefficient a is 4. So a is equal to 4, while the constant term is positive 1. Therefore, a times c is equal to 4 times 1 or simply 4. List down natin yung pair of factors of 4. 2 times 2, negative 2 times negative 2, 4 times 1, negative 4 times negative 1. Tapos yung pair of factors na merong sum na positive 5 ay ito, 4 and 1. Okay? So, 4 and 1. And then rewrite natin 4x squared and then plus 5x. This becomes plus 4x plus 1x or simply x and then plus 1. Group natin yung first two terms and the last two terms. Sa first group, ang GCF ng 4x squared and 4x is 4x. So 4x and then times 4x squared divided by 4x is x, while 4x divided by 4x is 1. Sa pangalawang group or sa second group, the GCF is simply positive 1. So yan lang yan, plus x plus 1. Meron tayong common factor na x plus 1. Kaya naman ang ating factored form ay 4x plus 1 times the common factor x plus 1. Let's try one more. Let's factor 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. The value of a or the leading coefficient is 3. Ito. Tapos ito naman yung constant term, negative 8. So the value of c is negative 8. The product a times c, 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. Lista natin yung pair of factors ni negative 24. So meron tayong negative 8 times 3, 8 times negative 3. What else? 12 times negative 2, negative 12 times 2. And then meron pa yung 6 times 4, rather 6 times negative 4. And then negative 6 times 4. Ngayon, kailangan natin dyan is yung may sum na positive 10. So ang kailangan natin ay ito. 12 plus negative 2 is 10. Okay? So 12 and negative 2. 3x squared. And then replace 10x with 12x minus 2x. Okay? So plus 12x minus 2x minus 8. Group the first two terms and the last two terms. Sa first group, ang GCF natin, the GCF or the common monomial factor of 3x squared and 12x is 3x. Divide tayo. 3x squared divided by 3x is x. 12x divided by 3x is positive 4. For the second group, the GCF is negative 2 or the common monomial factor. Negative 2 and then let's divide. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is positive x. Negative 8 divided by negative 2 is 4. And meron na naman tayong common factor, x plus 4. Therefore, the factor form is 3x minus 2 times the common factor x plus 4.